Hello everyone, good morning. Can you confirm audible or not? Can you hear me?
Audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So today's our workshop session. Okay, we are going to discuss like Python predefined functions. Okay. Most of the functions already you know. Okay, tell me which functions you know. Which functions you know. Okay, on daily basis, every day we are going to use like print, right? Yes or no? Okay, what is the purpose of this one? To display some output or not. Okay, the next one is like to display the output we are going to use like a print, and the input also one function is there. This is for what purpose? This is going to accept some inputs from you or not. This is going to accept some inputs from you or not. Let me execute okay, this. Let me open our workspace folder. Okay, new window. File, open folder. Okay, where is our workspace? Workshops one. This is the one, right? So this is the one. Okay, let me add find functions in Python. Okay, so see if first one is like print, right? Okay, if you write like this, simply it is going to display or okay render the VTS as like an output or not in the terminal or in the console. So py predefined py. So another one is like what? Another one is like input. Whenever you take input function, whenever you write like input function, it is asking some inputs from the end user. So how we can ask, for example, okay, I'm going to ask like enter your name, something like this I added. Now whatever the user entered, that particular name I want to display. So how we can display? Now if you come here, now see it is going to ask enter your name or not, accept some inputs. For example, if I give like VTS, okay, that VTS I want to print it. So how we can hold this value dynamically, whatever the value entered by the end user, how we can hold it? My input function is returns me your entered value. Okay, that's the reason how we can hold the return values. How we can hold the return
Variable.
values, okay, by using variable. So just you can write like my name equals to something. Now you can print the name like this or not. Yes or no? Okay. Now
Yes.
by using input we can accept some inputs from the end user or not. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next one is like I have one list is there. I have one list is there. In the list, all are like okay, true or all are like false. Okay. Just I want to say, I want to check. I have list of elements are there. I want to know all are like satisfied my condition or not. All are like true or not. I want to check it. Take one simple example. I have some students are there. Their marks are in the list. Their marks are in the list. In this particular list, okay, who all are like pass or not, I want to check. What is the condition? If you want to check everyone is like pass or not, what is the condition? Greater than 35 marks, right? We can say those are like pass. Okay. So if you have a list, how we can check all are like true or not? That is my question. For example, first you can take it. One list you can take. Now if you observe here in the list, there are multiple values. Like this you can write it. Multiple values you can write it. Now tell me, in the list there has multiple values are there. Here each and every element is like a true or false, or how we can come to know? Every element is like true or false, all are like true or not, I want to know. For that, we have one function is there in Python, all is the function. What is the function name? All is the function. Okay, now if you come here, if we run this one, in this case, every element in the list is true or false? Every element in the list, every element, first element is true, second element is true, but third element is like false. Every element in the list is not true, right? So that it gives an error. So here how we can, okay, it returns me, okay, all returns me, not error, false, all returns me some output. Now that output, you can print it, print output. Okay, now if you come here, now see this py, okay, predefined. Now see, all are like not true or not. Now for example, if I write like this, now tell me each and every element is like true or not. Each and every element, okay, now the output is like true. Understood? Got my point?
So what if I want to check all the elements are false?
All the elements are like false. Okay,
Yeah.
you like this, like this. Okay, then the time you have to iterate. Okay, you can check it. Say.
Okay.
Now if you come here, okay, it is all looking for what? All are like true or not. If in single one also false, so then the time it returns me what? False only or not. Okay. Now here it is expecting, okay, what kind of value the all. For example, if I pass like a 10, if I pass like 10, hmm? There is a one more syntax you can take it. If you come here, take marks now. 40 marks, 50 marks, 77, 80 marks, 90 marks. Now tell me, in this case, everyone is like pass or fail. Everyone is like pass or not.
Fail.
Everyone is like pass or not. Pass, right? Yes or no? Now here, just you can write the condition, something like this. Now how it's going to work? Just check it, how it's going to work. Now if you come here, x greater than
Condition opposite.
yeah,
X less than.
30 values, then right? Okay. Now, for example, if I write like 30, then the output is like what?
False.
All are like true or not? No, right? It's like false or not. So, why we go for all means, okay, each and every element in the iterable object satisfied your condition or not. If you want to check, then you can go with all or not. Each and every element in the list, in this case, list. Each and every element in the list satisfied my condition or not. Yes or no? Come on. So here the syntax, if you observe, this one you know, right? This is which loop? For loop or not. Okay. Now every time you can get like one element, right? That element, it is also one kind of syntax. Okay, complex that. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, okay, this is also one kind of iterable, okay, iteration only. Okay, now we not discussed, I guess. Let me show you that. Will anyone check it in your uijavakit.com and you go to Python? I think in the functions iterable, where is the iteration, sir? The functions can decorators okay. Comprehensive lists like that we can. Okay, now if you observe here, see what is the concept? List. Come on, spell out. List comprehensions or not. List comprehensions. Okay, so I have a list of elements. For example, I have 1 to 10 elements. Range is nothing but it's like a list of iterable objects, iterable values only or not. 1 to 10 elements. First time what you can get it. First time what you can get it, first value or
One.
not, first value. Okay, now here you can add like an expression also. Here you can add like an expression, you can perform some operations on this particular one, and finally it is going to returns like what, one kind of list. It is also same kind of syntax, similar. Okay, if you observe here, okay, where is that? Okay, if you observe here, say it is like a trouble object data. First time first value, this is your expression or not? Yes or no? This is your expression. Okay, now every time you can get like value is like what, x x greater than 35. Each and every value is like greater than 35 or not, it is going to check. Each and every value is like greater than 35 or not, every value is like 35 or not?
No,
No,
first
right?
value is.
Okay, no, that's the reason it's like false. Now if you come here, every value in the list is greater than 35 or not?
Yes.
Yes or no? So you can get like output is like true or not. So why we go for all? If anybody asks, what's your answer? If you want to check in my list, okay, in this case I'm talking about list to set to tuple, whatever it may be. In our case, okay, why we go for all means each and every element is list is satisfied my condition or not. If you want to check, then you can go with the all or not. All are satisfied my condition, it returns me true. Okay, if not satisfied, it returns me false or not. Minimum one is not satisfied also, returns what, false or not.
Yes.
Agreed? All are okay? Hmm? Fine. Okay, let's think these are like my player runs. These are like what? My player runs. Okay, now I asked a question like no one like hit runs like zero. No one duck out. True, false. No one duck out. Duck out means okay, zero runs. Okay, so no one duck out. True, false. The statement. True or false? No one hit like zero runs.
Um,
It's true.
True, right? So that prove it. Okay, so I have to do like what? Greater than 0 or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Greater than 0. Everyone is like greater than 0 or not? Yes. Now my question is minimum one person hit the, okay, at least one person hit century or not? At least one person hit century or not? One person hit century runs or not? Tell me by seeing.
yes,
Yes, right? So prove it. My output should be true. My
it's
output
greater than 100.
is greater than 100. But do you think
All we need to remove, no?
huh? All
All.
to
Because
remove?
all it will give the true or false. In first
Well,
condition it is getting false.
what you want me to remove here? All are.
All, yes.
If I remove all, then what happen? Hmm? Now, I already told you, all returns me true when each and every element satisfied my condition. Now tell me, each and every element satisfied my condition or not?
Not.
No.
No, right? No, right? So that it gives me false only or not. It gives me false. But my question is different, right? I asked you, minimum one player hit the century or not? True or false? Tell me.
True.
True. But
True.
all the elements is going to check the condition. But the minimum one element satisfied. Then the type instead of all, can I go with any? Can I go with any? Anyone
Yes.
hit the century or not? Any
Yes.
one element satisfied my condition. Then it's like what? True or not? Yes or no? Now minimum one person also. not hit the century, right? No one is there. So it's like a false. Understood? The difference between all and any. Can anyone repeat?
Yes.
All, it is going to check each and every element satisfied my condition or not. Any minimum one element satisfied my condition or not. It is going to check. Got my point? Agreed, all are?
Yes.
Okay, that is the difference between all and any. Okay, done. The next one, tell me some type conversions. Type conversions, tell me. You know already those.
Least tuple,
All our, come on,
iterable
all
object,
data types, right? Okay, int, convert into int, convert to int. Next, float. Okay,
string,
bool, bool, convert into string,
list,
convert into list,
tuple,
convert into
dictionary,
tuple, tuple, convert into set, convert into dict. These all are like what, conversions or not? Yes or no? Okay, now I have one value equals to 100. Can I convert into integer, int of val?
yes,
Yes or no? Now, the same one, if I try to convert, okay, convert like this, what is the error you can get it? What is the error you can get it? Will it convert or not convert?
not convert,
Not convert or not. The error is like what? Value error. Okay, invalid literal or not. Yes or no? So stringified numbers only we can convert into numbers or not. Stringified numbers only we can convert into numbers. Now this time, okay, again, what is the value?
float value,
23, 4, 5, 6. It's a kind of float value. Float value can I convert? No, right? No, right? So that it gives me an error or not? Stringified. So integer only for stringified integers only or not? Stringified integers only it's going to convert. Now, if you want to go with the float, you can go something like this or not. Understood?
yes,
Yes.
So if you have one number like this, if you want to convert into string, you can convert something like this or not. Yes or no? You will
yes,
convert something like this. So if you want to convert one list, can I convert into list in the string? Possible or not possible? Okay, anything you can convert into string. No, there is no restrictions anywhere. Got my point? If you want to convert this one list into set, can I convert? Convert into set?
yes,
Yes, we can convert or not. Can I convert into tuple? Can I convert into tuple? We
yes,
can convert into tuple or not. Can I convert into dictionary? If I add like this, then what happens?
key values, keys,
It is going to give like a value error. Na? Dictionary is like always like what? Dictionary is like
key
always
value pair,
a value pair, right? Here, what you have? Only values. Cannot convert a dictionary update sequence element. Something like this, you can get the error or not. Agreed? Hmm? So, can I write like this? Hmm? Can I convert now?
yes,
Can I convert now? Okay, now we have, okay, what happened? Length 1, 2, 3, well, dictionary 2 is required. Let's save this one. Value error, dictionary update sequence element 0. Okay, let me remove this one. Double code you can add it. Should work. Like this. And print dictionary. Why this is
Sir, we are given
what
quoted we are provided now, so it will act as a string. So curly braces will act as the first element of the string.
but you convert it into dictionary, right? That's okay. See here, because length one is required. Update sequence element. Dictionary update sequence element as 0 has length 1 is required. Dictionary value. Oh no, this one. Start it. That's what most one argument terms are. Check it. Convert stringified dictionary to dictionary, na? Stringified to what it's saying. JSON.loads. Okay, it's treated like a JSON and it's going to convert it, right? So if it is like stringified, it is not.
Why, sir, they are imported JSON?
Yeah, it's treated like a JSON whenever it is like this. If you give the input like this, it's like a JSON. So can I go with this dictionary? Can I go down? Equals to is something like this. How can I run this? Dictionary update sequence element length is 1, 2 is required. So here name equals to such and this 1, 2 is required. So can I here like this? So the thing is, if you want to convert this one into dictionary, directly you can give the length. Okay, not okay like this. Okay, key value, key value, key value pairs. We can give it to the dictionary. Okay, now whenever you give like this key value pairs, then it's converted into dictionary or not. In the past, whatever the stringified one is there, just we need to convert like a JSON, something like this, JSON nodes. This is different from the JSON module. We can convert into okay dictionary or not. It is like a stringified JSON, looks like stringified dictionary directly. The stringified dictionary, if you want to convert, we have a module called as a json.load, so then it's going to convert into dictionary. But dict if you want to use to convert into dictionary, okay, the syntax is like key value, key value, key value pairs we need to give. Okay, the syntax understood, huh? So another way also we can, okay, this is one way. If it is follow this approach, this is one way. Another one is like print dictionary. Now see, this is also one more way or not. See here, a list of tuples, it's a key value, it's a key value, it's a key value or not. Like this also we can convert or not. Now if you come here, okay, now see, like this also we convert into dictionary or not. So agreed, huh? Hmm? Either you can go the keyword arguments like name, okay, this one is, this one city, this one, something like this you can go. Otherwise you can give a list of tuples. Okay, in the tuple what we have, key value, key value, key value pairs, that is also work, and it is going to convert into dictionary or not. And keep this one in your mind. Whenever you go with the stringified dictionary, if you want to convert into dictionary, you should go with what, one of the model called as a, which model, you have to go with one of the model called as a JSON or not. By using the JSON module, we can convert. Okay. So for what everyone? Okay, what is the next one? Got some clarity, right? Convert into dictionary. One. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. The next one is like, okay, tuple and set. Okay, how you converted list set into list, same like this we can convert our list into tuple as well as set also or not. Okay, now if you write something like this, print set of, okay, if you write like this, okay, this is the set only. Just if you write like this, okay, now it's going to convert into what, it is going to convert into set or not, tuple to set, tuple to set. So like this we can convert. Okay, integer. Okay, next float, boolean. Okay, boolean, tell me how to convert into boolean, which value we can convert into bool. Bool, can I write like this, can I write like this? Okay, some value is there, that the reason it's like true. If you remove this one, if I remove this one, now it's like false or not, yes or no? Now, okay, value there means always it's like true, value there means always it's like true. Now one is there, now it is gives me true or false. Now it gives me true or false, it's like true. If it is like 0, then that time it gives me like what, okay, it's like a false or not. Agreed? The next one, now come here. Into flow to boolean, string list, tuple, set, and dictionary. Okay, dictionary only something different. Don't go with the stringified value. Don't go with stringified value, is nothing but something like this. Something like this. Don't go with this one. Number is like 1. Okay. Then how you want me to go dictionary? How you want me to go dict? You can pass like a key. Come on, keyword arguments. Key value, key value, key value, something like this. You can go the syntax. The next one is like dictionary. Tell me a list of come on, dictionary, a list of what, tuples. My key comma value. The next one is what? Another one is like what? Key comma value. Okay, the next something like this. Any number of key values you can put it on. then only you can get the output. If you go like this, then you can get the error or not. You can get the error. Done up to here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. So the next one, tell me. Next one. Okay, here only. Okay, we have filter also map there, right? Filter directly we can use filter maps also or not. Yes or no? Okay, tell me about the filter and map. Filter and map. Now, okay, the previous example only can take it. Okay, I have a list of okay student marks are there. Okay, or you can take like a or you can say players runs, you can take it. Now my question is how many players having okay greater than half century, okay, above half century, how many players hit the above half century, how many players hit? Hmm?
0. No one is greater than 100.
Above half century,
Yeah,
70.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
4.
So here, can I write like a filter? If I write like filter, then what happened? Can you check it? Will it
We are
work or
asking for iterable object and function. First function
okay?
is missing.
Now, if you come here, okay, see it gives some okay. Filter is expecting like two arguments, got one. So this is not okay. Write the syntax or not? Yes or no? So what you have to do? Filter syntax tell. Filter which take how many?
Two
First
argument. First,
Two.
first is the
argument or
function and second
first
is
one is like a function, the second one is like your iterable object or not. So here once you get the function, okay, here you have to write like what your condition or not. Here you
yes.
have to write your condition. Now the output is like filter this one. Now you have to do what? Convert into one iterable
Convert
object, you
into
can get it,
list.
convert into list, convert into list. Now if you come here, yes, something like this or not. If you want to elaborate more, okay, this lambda function when it is going to call, this lambda function when it is going to call, this lambda function can be okay normal function also or not. Yes or no?
Yes.
Lambda functions can
Yes.
be normal function also or not. How many times it is going to call?
3 ways. Callable object.
How
Asynchronous.
many times it is going to call? How many times it is going to call? How many iterations what?
Seven.
That many times it is going to call or not? Okay, now
Every time.
okay, see, in your function only one statement is there, you can go with lambda. For example, multiple statements are there, so can I go with something like this? Okay, print and called yes or no. Okay, now here instead of lambda, can I go with what? Fn or not? Understood? Okay, now if I write like a 10, okay, if I comment this one, what happened? If I write like 10, if I comment this one, will it work or not work?
Not work because 10 is not a
Is
function.
it gives an error? Is it gives an error?
Yes.
What is the error?
Integer object is not callable.
Integer object is not callable. Okay, at this moment, is it gives an error or not? At this moment, is it gives an error or not? At this moment it's not. Why? Because whenever you call the filter, just it's going to take this one, this check only. If I write like 10, okay, if I write like ss, now you can get the error like what? Str object is not iterable. Okay, this is also not okay, string is iterable, sorry, like this. Hmm? Now the output should be bool is not iterable or not. Okay, first, whenever you use like filter, second one is like iterable or not, it is going to check. But when this callback is going to call, whenever you convert this particular output is like iterable, right? Iterable object it's going to give, right? Okay, now that iterable object, whenever you convert into list, that time it is going to call your callback or not. Okay, now your answer is correct. What is the answer? Okay, 10 is or integer is not callable or not. Okay, this is okay. Okay, runs. Now the output should be what? The output should be what?
Integer
Object
object.
is not callable. Now, can I write my fn? Now your output is what? How many
Fn
times it is
called
going? Yeah, how many times it is going to?
7 times.
Okay, fn take 0 positional argument, but one was given. That's okay. For every iteration, it is going to give like one value or not to us. Okay, which value? These values only or not. Now, if you come here, now see my fn called how many times? How many elements are there? That many times it's called or not. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Now your output is not something like this, right? Your output should be what? Your output should be what? No, your output should be what?
Run should be greater than 50
Yeah, greater than, right? That's the
condition.
reason. Can we write one condition like
Return.
what? Return value greater than 50. Now you should get the output as expected or not. Okay, na? Hmm? Tell
Yes.
me the map. Tell me about the map. Why we go for map?
If you want to perform same operation for all the elements.
Yeah, if you want to do something, some operation for every element, for example, if you take like these are like a marks, just I want to give some bonus marks for every student is like +5, then that time you can go with what? Map or not. So how we can? Okay, there is no change, nothing. Okay, here simply for my var, just I want to add like +5 marks. Yes, no? Understood?
Remove
Yes.
filter, add marks, add map. Output is equal to map.
Yeah, this is the one. Huh? Now it's okay.
Yes.
Now if you come here, okay, now this is the one or not. Agreed?
Yes. So I have a question in the previous one, like what you were trying to say, if we don't convert to list, what will happen? That one, previous one you were explaining filter.
Yeah. If you're not converting to list, okay. Now see what it is going to give. The output is like which type? The output is like which type? Okay. The map is returns me a map object, something like this or not? Yes or no? It's a trouble object. You have to convert into the list.
Okay. So like previously instead of map, when we are using filter, that time also we'll get like same thing only.
Yeah, same only. That time filter object you can get it. This time map object you can get it. That is only the difference.
Oh,
Okay, na? Any
Means
question?
whenever we are applying map or filter, every time we need to convert it to iterable object when
Yeah.
print the output.
This is not your actual expected output. I want to convert into list or set or tuple something like this. You have to convert.
Okay, and convertible object should be iterable.
Yeah. Any questions or not so far?
No, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me some other methods. What you know? Come on, up to here. Okay.
reduce.
Reduce is a dev tools, right? This is from another, right? It's not a predefined, right? Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Next. Uh, dir. It's a predefined only or not? Type. It's a predefined only or not? Yes. No. Okay. Why you go for dir?
To identify how many methods are existing.
Yeah. How many members are there in your object or in your class? Then you can go with the dir or not? Yes or no? Okay. Give me one example. Okay. Anyone? Tell.
Directory of list.
Yeah. Okay, that is like a predefined member or user defined member. Just can I convert? Can I use like this? Yes, no. So that okay. What is the output? It
Nothing.
returns
We
me.
have to print.
It returns me some
Mm.
value or not. So can I print the? Now if you come here, now say this. You can get the. it okay? So for example, if I write something like this, data equals to 1, 2, 3, can I use the data here? Can I use the data here? Will it gives me the exact output or it is something different?
We can use
Hmm? The same, right? So
same.
dir is going to give the output value, okay, for an object as an input, okay, or okay, the next one is like what? Object as an input, or else
Class.
the class also has like input or not. Anything is like fine. Anything is like fine. Agreed?
Yes.
Okay. Then. The next one is like type, right? So what is that? Print type of list. Okay, it is going to give the type. Here, tell me some values. Type. If my type is like a class type, okay. If my type is like a class name, what is the difference? It is last two different step. What happened? Print spelling mistake, huh? Okay. Yes. Now see, what is the class type? What is the class list? What is the class type and what is the class list? Come on. Class type is nothing but it's a class type. List is what? It's a class, you can say. Class, so class name means what? If my type is like class, so class name,
Object.
it means what? It is an object. It is an object. So my data is an object of which class? My data is an
List.
object of which class? My data is an
List.
object of list class or not? My data is an object of list class. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. The next one. Eval and execute. The next one is like what? Eval and execute. What is the difference? Anyone knows? Eval and execute. So most of the times this eval and execute for what I can say, the online editors we are going to create, na? Online editors. Okay, if you take like Kalam schools, that is like one online editor, na? Okay, you written some code, okay, that is Python related code. That Python related code has to execute or not? That is like one statement you are going to write, a multiple statements, one
But
statement, multiple statements. Okay, so if you want to eval one statement which is related to Python, okay, then the time you can use like eval returns me execute that particular one statement, gives the output. So that output you can show to the end user whenever you click on the execute button. Whenever you go to the exec execute, this is execute like multiple statements. This is execute like what? Multiple statements. For example, just you can write now, if you come here, one statement, the end user statement is like this, okay, print hello world, okay, this is the statement. Now if I write like stmt, you write like stmt, what is my output? If I write like stmt, what is my output? Tell me. Come on, what is my output? Total print hello world, but actual the statement should give the output is like what? Print hello world only na?
hello.
Only hello world, but it is treated like a string. That string directly executed or not, but you want to execute this statement as like a Python statement, has to give some output to me or not, that statement output. So that statement can I enclose with which function? Eval. eval. Now, whenever you enclose it with the eval, now if you observe here, now it eval returns me what? Eval returns me what? Eval returns me what? Okay. Now if you run this, and it gives me output. Directly it gives me output. It is only print the output. It is returns any value, na, not written any value, na. Is it written any value, not written any value? Tell me. Is it written or not written? No, na.
Not
Non-printed means, okay, in the printer, okay, you printed like what? Written value of eval. Written value of eval is like none. That the reason it is printing none. So I can say eval is not written anything, just leave it. But eval directly execute the statement and print the output. Those people are not. Those people only print it. Yes, no? This is only one statement, one Python statement. Yes or no? One Python statement.
yes.
Okay, now. So print can print this, print this. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? How many statements? You written in one line, but statements wise, how many statements? Statements wise,
So
how many statements? Two
Okay.
statements or not? Two statements or not? In that case, okay, eval will not work. Then the time you can go with what? Then the time you can go with what? Then the time we can go with execute. But just syntactically it's wrong. Then what you have to do, just you can give like, okay, some slash n, next level, next line,
Next line.
something like this you can say. Unexpected identifier. What happened? Something wrong. Now can you come here? Now see it's working as expected or not? The statement, if I write like eval, will it work? Do you think? Will it work? Do you think? No, no.
no,
Understood, right? Difference? Tell me the difference. Eval and execute. Eval and execute difference. Tell me.
eval executes only one statement
Yeah, eval execute
and
only
execute
one
multiple.
statement. Only one statement always. Okay. But execute, you can write multiple statements. So in the editors, which one they are going to use?
Execute.
Just execute or not execute all the okay, whatever the lines you written, all the lines they are going to take and okay, just they are going to, okay, merge with what, concat with what, slash n, and directly you can give it to eval gives me the final output, something like this or not.
Yes, sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Say, like from Python, I want to invoke like some application, like say calculator, like that. That time, what do you have to use?
Means I didn't get you, can you repeat again?
From my Python program, I want to
Mhm.
invoke calculator application.
Okay, you want to
That
develop, invoke or develop, what is that?
It will be written as directly
no,
print
in my
calculator
Python
application.
program,
Hmm.
like what is function or anything that I can use so that I can invoke the calculator application.
Okay, through modules only, right? External ones. So
Okay.
repeat again. For example, you are like a Python developer. Okay, na? This is my Python, okay, Flask application, for example. Okay, or any Django application, Django or Flask. This is my Python. Yeah. Now your question is what?
In my Python program, what
This
is
is my Python
uh,
program. Huh? Okay. So this is my this is my program. Okay. Next.
in my program, what is the statement I can use so that I want to invoke the calculator application? The .exe files, like I want to invoke the application, how I can do?
Okay. You mean it's like a standalone application, just you want to create and invoke the external
Yes.
ones.
Or else inbuilt, like say our in Windows we have calculator, right? That one I
Mhm.
just want to open it up using my program.
Okay, in this some applications or there just you want to open those by using your
Yes,
program.
yes, correct.
Yeah, you have to connect with your hardware and that particular one. For example, if you take like by using this Python program, I want to open the webcam, or that is also one application. By using this Python program, just I want to open the calculator in my Windows machine, something like that, right?
Hmm.
You're asking. Okay, okay, then obviously we can do it. And webcam using Python program. Okay, there has external libraries out there. Okay, open CV Python. So this is one program. There has some modules. So many external modules are there. By using those external modules, we can do it. Okay, this is webcam capturing. You
Hmm.
as you said, okay, open uh, calculator application using Python program in my Windows operating system. Okay, WGA character using this calculator in Python. Okay, this is like a program they written, and this one is like a open the calculator. Okay, they created entire program. This is okay. There has to create the standalone application, something like this .exe. How the
Hmm.
Java swings some previous concepts over there, right? To create the standalone applications. Like
Hmm.
this here in Python also, to create your standalone application, we have the module, something like this.
Hmm.
This is like a development, but your question is like
Open
open.exe,
existing,
right?
correct.
Yeah, open.exe file. Here, no, this is also just they are like this one. So our prompt should be open.exe. Okay, standalone application using Python. You install some packages.
It depends on the which type of models you're using, means Windows, Mac device like this. So first they are saying that import operating system and then directly open calculate.
And.exe file. I think there is a solution, but I have to find it out. Its good path is like .exe. Okay, so press .call .exe path by using operating system. Okay, this is like module, right? Predefined module. By using this OS module also, we can start the file something like this. The particular exe
Okay,
file
sir.
is ethu. Hmm? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now um, um, sub process. It's going to connect to your process. You in your process only that
Mm,
all apps are going to run. This is
correct.
one module. By using that module, they're going to execute that particular exe file.
Okay, sir. I understood. So, like, we just need to catch hold of the modules, what are.
Yeah, there is Python is like a huge community. For every okay, that means requirement we can find multiple modules. You can figure it out the module and you can choose which one you want.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
The next one is like a equals to 10. If I call a, okay, then what is the output? What is the output?
Is not callable.
Not callable. Yes, everyone knows this one. But I want to write the condition. Okay. If a is a function, then only I want to do something. Otherwise, I don't want to do anything. Then what you have to do? Now, if I go to there,
Right.
Integer object
it
is
is
not
not
called.
callable. This is okay. Yeah, tell me. Now we have one now predefined function is there callable. Callable. If this is a callable, then only can I call my a. Hmm? Then
Okay.
Yes.
only can I call my a. Okay. Now if I write something like lambda, okay, print, okay, something like this. Now it's a callable or not?
Yes, it's callable.
Now it's callable. Now it's going to work as expected or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The next one is like ID function also. At the time of operators, we discussed about the ID, right? Why we go for ID? ID.
Perform some operation on identifying each ID of that element.
Yeah, the identity of your member, right? That is like address it's going to give or not. It's going to give an address. For example, A equals to 10, B equals to 20. Okay, print, okay, print my ID of A and print my ID of B. Okay, now if you come here, find, now you can get the IDs or not. Yes, sir.
Yes.
The address, the location, we can get it. So the next one is like length. Predefined function is there, na? Length, L-E-N only, right? L-E-N. So how we can get that? How we can use it?
Length of element.
It's like length. SSS. Now my LEN returns me what? Some length or not. So can I print this particular one? Now this is the one or not. So okay, the next one is like min max. Min max. Some mathematical functions also there, na? Mathematical functions. Tell me some mathematical functions. What you know? Mathematical okay, functions. What you know?
Absolute.
Okay, one is like abs,
Flow.
absolute
C.
value. You can get it. Another one is like power. Okay, min, max. Okay, these are the methods most students we are using or not. Okay, so one is like absolute value if you want to get it. ABS of okay 10. What is absolute value? Okay, now if you put like this also, the actual absolute value inside value is like what, 10 only or not? Yes or no? The next one is like power also there. Okay, the next 2 comma 3 you can get like the power 2 power 3, something like this or not. Okay,
Yes.
the next one is like min max also there. Okay, min of, okay, of this, okay, it returns me somewhere, returns me somewhere. So you can get like minimum value. Okay, so same like this you can get like max value or not, get like a max value. The next one is like if you want to do some sorted, some sort these values, can I go with the sorted function? Now it's like sorted or not. So
Yes. So
okay,
for sort descending, like I think you taught, but I don't remember how we have to do so. Sort descending.
okay, we have the sorted only. Okay, in predefined one more function we are going to add it, right? Okay, can we do it? This is the sorted predefined function. Okay, if you want to go with the sort, okay, give me one example. Any example you can give.
Yeah, you can take any list of numbers.
List of numbers, huh? Okay. You take like data equals to something like this, huh?
Yes.
This is normal only, no? Okay, so data is equals to uh, output, output equals to, what do you have to do? Oh, sorted of data. Okay, now you can get like sorted, right? But this is like which equals to, sorry, only. Now print of, okay, this is like which order. Now once you have this one, can you make it like reverse? Can you make it like reverse? Hmm?
What? I can't understand what you're saying.
This output, can you make it like reverse?
Okay. Reverse function.
Reverse function. The list we have a reverse function, right?
Mm.
Okay. Can you write that one? Okay, here in the list, okay, we have which functions are there? List, arf list. So here, okay, we have the function called as reverse, right? So once you have this one, something like this, reverse. Now, can I remove this one? Right, like this. Reverse, not written anything. Huh? Software. Convert into, is okay.
Okay, so
But that time we discussed, like for example, there has a list of dictionaries or there. Okay, players list is there. In the player, there has runs or there. I want to sort all my dictionaries on the runs. That time you have to customize.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Got my point?
Yes.
So the next one is like ORD is there. ORD. What is the purpose of ORD? It is going to give
Equivalent.
the Unicode value, right? Okay, for example, ORD of A. What is the Unicode value for this? A is not defined. That's expected only, right? Okay, A is not defined. This is like a string-fed format, right? So now can I run this? It's like Unicode value of A is
97.
it's like 97 or not. Understood? So if you write like my A equals to 5, something like this, or this one, 1 comma 2 comma 3. A is an object of which class? A is an object of which class?
List.
List.
List class, right? A is an object of list class. Directly you can say it's an object of list class. But think the A value is like dynamic. A value is like dynamic. Okay, if it is like list, then only, if it is like list object, then only I want to perform some operation. Otherwise, don't do any operation. Then how we can? A value, okay, I don't know. Sometimes get like a list, sometimes get like a number, sometimes get like a tuple, something like this. Whenever the A value is like list, then only perform some operation. Otherwise, don't do any operation. Then, oh, then
So from the type we are getting, it is list.
we
Then
have
apply the condition.
that is one thing. That is one thing. That is not a recommended way. That is only for user to check. User knows by seeing this one. But condition I want. For that, we have is instance one method is there. What's the method name?
Is
One.
instance.
Is
Is
instant.
instance. Is instance is the method. By using that is instance method, we can check is it okay belongs to that particular okay instance is nothing but what object, right? Yes or no? So is instance is the one. Okay, the A is an object of list or not? A is an object of list or not? Okay, then only, okay, can you do some operation? No? Now, if you come here, okay, but if you write something like this, A is an object of list, A is an object of int. Come on, A is an object of list or A is an object of int?
Int.
Integer, right? Okay, so that is it executed or not executed? Not executed. Understood? Is instance. Come on.
Yes,
Not executable because integer.
Yeah, it is an object of integer. Can I pass like int? No, it should be.
Yes, it will work.
It should work. Now can I come here? Okay, it is an object of this. Yes, it's integer. Okay. Okay, I have two classes I given to you. Okay, which class is like a parent? Which class is like a children? I want to find it. So how we can find in general? Is there any methods over there? Okay,
Which is callable, that is
I have a class A is
class.
there. N1 equals to 10. I have class B is there. Okay, equals to 20. Now tell me which one is like
Class B is
class, which one
child,
is a child?
class A is parent.
A is a parent and B is a children or not? Okay. No, my question is my B is a subclass of A or not? I want to programmatically I want to know. My B is a subclass or not? Yes or no? A is what?
Yes.
Superclass. My B is like what? Subclass. A is a parent. B is a children. A is a base. B is a derived. Yes or no? So we have one method is there. E is a subclass. E is a subclass. Okay, which one? E subclass. My B. Okay, to A. Can I print it? My B is a subclass of simply B is a subclass of A. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, if I write like A comma B, is my A is a subclass? Huh?
No.
False.
A is a subclass of B. Huh? All right. So that it gives me false or not. Agreed? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Any questions so far? Okay. I'm going to write a function. Okay. Just you only tell. Okay. What is the purpose of that function? Okay. I have a class A is there. Okay. Na? My name equals to such equals to sorry, B of fn fn. Okay. Just I can use like self. Okay. After that, bracket val equals to vars of a. What is given? Anything?
Members.
No, what it's provided. What it's provided.
It's giving all the members and
Yeah,
functions and
it's
everything.
all the variables it is going to provide or not. Okay, that means all the members it is going to provide or not. Yes or no? In the class, your members, predefined, whatever included in the class, everything is like available here or not. Where's? Yes or no? It provided in which format? It provided in which format?
Dictionary.
In the dictionary format or not? In the dictionary format or not? Yes, sir?
So if we do dir also, it will give, right?
No, dir only the member names. Okay, values not.
Oh, okay, okay.
Values not. Okay, na?
Mm,
Agreed, everyone?
yes, sir.
Okay, one more. Super function is also there, na? Super. Why we go for this? Super.
To call the parent class constructor.
Yeah, to represent your superclass object. To represent your superclass object or not. Okay, call the next one is okay, that is okay, but to represent the superclass object or not. I have a class A. Okay, na? N1 equals to 10. I have class B. Friends, yeah. Okay, df f. Okay, print of n1. It's going to work or not? Print of n1. It's going to work or not? One.
No.
Now it's okay. Hmm? F. What's my output? What is my output? 10. Hmm? 10.
Yes.
Now n1 equals to 100. What's my output?
100.
Hmm? Now what's my output? Hmm? Now explain about the super. Explain me about super.
It
Come on.
represents object of parent class.
Represent the object of the parent class or not. It's a parent class object. That's it. In the children, if you want to represent the parent class object, my own object is available self. My own object is available self. Okay, my parent class object, how we can represent by using super or not. Parent class object we can represent by using super or not. Agreed, everyone? Hmm?
Yes.
Again, which case I understood, right? Specific to parent members only if you want. Then you can go with the super or not. Agreed?
Yes.
The next one is like one more mathematics function, math function. Okay, sum also there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, print off this. Print off this. Whatever.
Some takes at most 2 arguments.
That means you have to pass either
Only 2.
double object or not. You can get something like this or okay, the same by using eval I want. Tell me how we can eval. Hmm? Eval. One. So if we write something like this, eval of print, print of what? Print of what? 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus print of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. What is the output it's going to give? What is the output it's going to give? 9 only or not? Yes or? Hmm? Okay. Class method and static method. Tell me why we go for class method and static method. Already you know that. Class method.
Keywords are used at
Static.
the rate class, static, at the rate.
Yeah, if you want to convert one method like a class at the rate class method, we are going to use like a decorator or not. If you want to make it like a static at the rate static method, we can use like a decorator or not. Yes, ma'am. So here is the one class A of D of Fn, D of Fn, print, print of Fn. If you want to make it like static at the rate static or not. Now tell me one how we can call it A dot
A
Fn.
dot.
A dot Fn. If it is like a static method, okay, is my Python pass any arguments? No, my Python not pass any arguments. But if it is like a class method, what is that? We can call by using
Self.
this. But what it's going to pass? Is it going to pass anything? Yes. Okay, it's going to pass one argument or not. What is that argument? Can anyone guess?
Self.
No. Class. Class. Self means
Yes.
object. Okay. Class means it's a come on. Yeah. Yeah. If it is like instance, it is like what? A object. It's like a object. Understood? Tell me. Okay or not?
So can you repeat, sir?
Say if it is like a 1 second. Hmm. See, if I call like this, it's a class method. Whenever it's a class method, Python pass your class as a argument. Okay. If it is like instance method, then if it's like instance method, then my Python pass what? Okay, type of
Object.
okay type of argument here. Apna here okay here also just I want to mention of yeah okay no? So if it is like instance method I can create an object okay go dot obj dot f then see the difference now you can easily understand I called instance method I called a static method whenever I call a static method lost a dot fn they passed what class as a parameter or not okay not static class method yes no come on
Yes.
whenever I call a instance method, they pass an object of which class? A
A
class,
class.
A class. Understood? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Oh. The next one is like I have some values, for example, 1, 2, 3, So it's common. Okay, I want a part of an iterable object. 356 only I want. How? We have one method is there, slice. Did you heard about that? Slicing. We have one method is there, slice. Already we discussed that, but not in this way, but another way.
Like colon you used to use.
Oh yeah, colon we use it right that time. Okay, now it gives me what? Something like slice object. Okay, that slice object we can hold with one slice object. We can hold with. Okay, this is the one, right? Yeah. Once you have the slice obj, now you can use directly print off. Okay, that slice object. So internally that is same only. Okay, a of slice object. A of slice object. Now it gives what? Okay, first two. Okay, starts with 0, ends with 2. Okay, for example, then what happens? Starts with here, ends with here or not? Okay, I want like 356, right? Okay, what do you want me to do? 356. Can I put like 5? Starting, ending. If you not mention starting, starting is what? 0. This is always takes like ending. 2, 5. 356, you can get it or not. Like this, you can prepare the slice object and you can slice it directly. Okay, the same. Okay, you can go something like this also or not. This one we discussed, I guess. Print a of what? 3 or 2, 5. This one we
Yes, sir,
discussed.
this we
This one we
discussed.
discussed. Both are gives me same output. Understood? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to write one statement. You will explain again. Okay. So the answer everyone knows, right? Yeah. Okay. No doubt. Now what is the answer?
And two is not member.
N2.
It's not a member of
No,
A.
no attribute N2 in the class.
Yes.
Something like this. You can get it or not. No attribute. Can we set the attribute? They said like no, no. Can we set it? Yes or no? Okay. Set the attribute. In which class you want me to set?
A
The class. What is the property you want me to set? With
and
which
two.
value you want me to set? Now the output should be what? Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
The set attribute. So for any questions, anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, how the sorted is there? Same like this. Reversed also there. Did you and you know that? Reversed. Okay, whatever you have in a iterable object. For example, my data equals to. Okay, so here we have reversed. Just the data you can reverse it. Reversed, sorted is there, not same like that. So can I print it? It is not sort, nothing. Whatever the current order is there, just it is make it like a reverse or not. So can I convert into list? It's like reversed or not. How the sorted is there, same like this, it's like reversed. Okay. So the next one you want to explain. Or what is this?
Rounding off.
Round.
Yeah.
For example, if I make it like this, okay, if you not mention anything, then that time it's like round to this one. Okay, if I write like this, if I remove this one, then that time,
6.
okay, that means greater than, okay, greater than 5, it's like rounded to 6, otherwise it's like 5. Okay, now if you give like specific decimals, okay, just I want to round it to this one only, then the time, okay, you can, okay, round it to that particular decimal point. So yes, sir.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so most frequently these are the methods we are going to use. Okay, if you find any, okay, just you can explore your own, no problem. Okay, you can easily understand. Okay, all
Okay.
good. Okay, then thank you guys, thanks for joining. I will provide you the video, just you can walk through later. Okay,
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
all right, thank you, bye.
Thank you. Bye.